Hi children, how are you? Are you all fine? I hope you are. Are you going to school tomorrow? I think you aren't, because tomorrow is holiday. Then where are you going to? Are you going to your friend's home? About me, I am going to my friend on Saturday. I am meeting my friend on Saturday. I will meet my friend on Sunday. Am I meeting my friend? Can you tell me when will I meet my friend? I will meet my friend on Sunday. I am meeting my friend on Sunday. Here are if you observe these two expressions, my dear friends, I talk two ways. I am meeting my friend on Sunday. I will meet my friend on Sunday. These two expressions are talking about future only, but express different tenses. Let us see this visual between the two persons, conversation between two. When are you meeting your friend? I am meeting my friend on Sunday, one says. The other, I will meet on Sunday. I am meeting, I will meet. Am meeting indicates present continuous tense, and time they are talking about future. I will meet is the future tense talking about future time. That means, time can be talked in several ways by using different tenses. So, let us see this visual once again. I am meeting my friend on Sunday, present continuous tense about future tense. I will meet my friend on Sunday, future tense talking about future time, present continuous tense future time, future tense about future time. So, these expressions, these two expressions, after studying these two expressions, we can understand time and tense are different topics. They can be studied differently, they are separate concepts. Most of the Telugu medium people believe that they are one and same, but we should know they are different topics, they can be studied differently. Time and tense are separate concepts, they can be studied differently. First of all, I would like to give you what is time. The word time stands for a concept with which all mankind is familiar. Time is universal. Tense is different from one language to another language. There are several tenses from one language to another language, whereas time is universal, it has unique quality. Let us see more about time. If you observe this visual, time can be classified in three ways, that is present. You see this visual, present, it is the dog seemingly young, and young dog, it is energetic. If you observe this visual again, it is past, when it was years ago, it was puppy, a small dog, and today it is young, and tomorrow it may become old or sick dog. So, today is present, yesterday was past, and tomorrow will be future. This is about the time relation. Tense is tense, it stands for a verb form or series of verb forms used to express a time relation. Tense shows the time of an action. If you take the tense present, then the action will take place at present. If you place the verb in future, it is said to be future tense. If you place the verb in past, it is said to be past tense. Tense stands for a verb form or series of verb forms used to express a time. Let us see this visual. If you observe this visual, you can understand the time relation and the tense. What is time and what is tense? The conversation between these two. How does Rani earn her living? The question is, A asks question to B, what is the livelihood of Rani? does earn. Does earn indicates present. A asks in present tense to B. B says she sells buns. She sells buns. That is, Rani sells buns. It doesn't mean Rani is selling buns now. She sells buns in the sense here B expressed in present tense, but the activity took place yesterday and today, and it has relation tomorrow also. It is the continuous activity and her habitual and her daily routine thing that can be expressed in present simple. So, in last year she sold buns, and this year also she is selling buns, and tomorrow also she may sell buns. So, present tense indicates the time relation with the past and the future. Present tense is the meeting point of past and future. That means, tense is different from time, and let us see one more example here. The plane leaves from Visakhapatnam at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. If you observe this example, leaves is the present tense, but talking about future time. In the previous example, Rani sells buns is the present time talking about present, whereas in this example leaves is the present form used to talk about future time. So, present tense, future time. In the earlier example, present tense talked about present time. Here present times, the plane leaves from Visakhapatnam at 3 o'clock tomorrow. Tomorrow is the future, but verb form can be used here present. This is by using present tense we can use future. With these, after studying these examples, my dear students, we must be very clear that time and tense, these two are different topics. They can be studied differently with these expressions. Let us see the accidents will happen. If you study this example, the accidents will happen. Will happen is the future form. Will followed bare infinitive, that indicates future time, and tense is future. It does not mean the accident did not happen yesterday or last year. The accidents will happen, we should not take the meaning that there were no accidents in the past. So, the accidents were in the past, and the accidents may possible today, and there may be possibility of these happening accidents tomorrow also. But we can express in our communicative language with the accidents will happen, meaning that has relation between the past and the future. Future tense can be expressed to talk about present here. Tense is future, but the time expression is present. And here is one more example you study. The students will be students. You observe this sentence. Students will be students. Will be is the future form, but the activity, the routine incident, whatever the traits we observe in the students, that is playing things or studying books before going to the examinations seriously, and the students, the qualities of the students were same as in the past, present, and that may take place, we expect the same qualities in tomorrow also. So, students will be students in the sense only it does not mean only the future time, it relates, the tense can be used future, but the time expression is present, we can observe the present, because the meeting point of past and future related to present. And you see, the boys always have been rough, noisy and naughty. So, the boys are playing here at the bus stop, they are playing a drama. So, the boys are always playing, that it does not mean at the moment of speaking they are playing. The boys have been rough and noisy means it here the tense is used present perfect tense, and in the earlier sentence the tense is used future tense. The accidents will happen is the future tense. The boys have been rough and noisy is the present perfect tense, talking about present tense. In the previous example, future tense can be expressed for the present actions. Here present perfect tense can be expressed to show the present action. That means, friends, you can understand different tenses can be expressed to narrate the present situation or the present time. You see, present time can be shown, I am giving the same examples, I am repeating the same examples for the sake of better understanding. The accidents will happen is the future, time is present, and the students will be students, will be is the future tense talking about present time, and boys always have been rough, have been is the present perfect talking about present time. Present time, to talk about present time we can use different tenses that I am going to clarify in this session, in this class. Is tense is different from time. Here you observe these three sentences. If you observe these three sentences, there are different tenses are used to talk about time. In this lesson, we learnt present continuous tense can be expressed to talk about future time, present perfect tense can be expressed to talk about future time, and past perfect tense is used to talk about past time, and conditional sentences also expressed to talk about future time. And we have learned several things. In the next lesson we will learn few more things. Until then, bye bye.